My name is Kyle Slemmer. I'm the Senior Product and Training Specialist here at Mitchell Electronics, and I've been here for about 16 years. I'm a big proponent of preventative maintenance because it reduces downtime. The encoder can be tested and realigned after servicing the motor. Here you can see a technician using our product to verify a properly functioning resolver and then reinstalling it with the proper alignment angle. We do have a bunch of different manufacturers using our test equipment. This one manufacturer in particular, they had a unplanned issue where their motor went down on their machine, stopping this one axis. They didn't have our test equipment at that time, and it took them half the day to figure out that it was an encoder issue, get a spare motor on that machine, and get it up and running again. In the meantime, they lost several $1 million just in that half day, in those 4 hours of the machine being down. Now that they have our equipment, they can test their spare motors on their own time when the machine's not being used. They can have a preventative maintenance schedule, reducing unplanned issues, and also use our equipment for identifying and solving problems during the inevitable unplanned downtime as well.